Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Ridho Khalid, MPD, as an examiner in comprehensive examination, I'm Vika Novitasari. In this opportunity, I would like to present my thesis proposal entitled The Influence of Reader Strategy Towards Students' Reading Comprehension in Narrative Text at MTS Bani Salim in academic year 2024-2025. In learning English, there are 4 basic English that students must be mastered. Reading is one of the skills that is very important. The purpose of reading is comprehending. Comprehending means that we as a reader understand the information of the text. But the problem is that comprehending the text is not something that is easy, especially for the students who lives in the country where English is not the first language. In Indonesia, English is become the foreign language. Based on the preliminary research that the researchers conduct in MTS Bani Salim, the researchers found that the students face difficulties in comprehending the text. It showed from the data that student score, the students have a low score, and more than 60% of the students have not completed the test. And the researchers also interviewed the English teacher, and the English teacher stated that the students' reading comprehension is still low, especially in narrative text. Based on the problem, the researcher will use reader strategy to develop or to increase the students' reading comprehension in narrative text in MTS Bani Salim. So the formulation of the problem will be, is there any influence of reader strategy towards students' reading comprehension in narrative text at MTS Bani Salim? So in reading comprehension, the researcher used the 8 aspects from Brown. There are main idea, inference, phrase in context, grammar feature, detail, excluding fact not written, supporting idea, and the last is vocabulary in context. And the researcher only focus on the legend text in narrative text. Reader strategy. So reader is stand for read, imagine, describe, evaluate, and repeat. It is the strategy found by Clark. And the procedure of reader strategy is, the first, the student have to read some sentences in the text, and then after that they have to imagine or create a picture in their mind. In this step, the teacher will help the students to make a picture in their mind, and after that they have to describe the picture in their mind, and after that the student have to evaluate. They have to make sure is the picture in their mind is related with the text, and the last is repeat. The students have to repeat the step until the last sentence. And then the research design that is used in this research is quantitative, based on experimental research, to be specific in quasi-experimental. In this research, the researcher will choose 2 classes. There are experimental class that is used reader strategy, and the control class that is used direct learning. Direct learning is the method that the English teacher usually implement in the class. And then the variable will be independent variable and the dependent variable. The independent variable is the reader strategy, and the dependent variable is students' reading comprehension. In the data collecting technique, the researcher will use pre-test and post-test. The pre-test will conduct it before the treatment to know about students' reading score before the treatment, and the post-test will be conducted after the treatment. In the data analysis, the researcher will use normality and homogeneity to know the hypothetical test in the end of the research. In this case, the researcher will use SPSS. Okay, that's all about the thesis proposal of reader strategy. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.